Guys, we're using this wall clipper. I got it at Ross for 20 bucks. We're gonna open this up real quick. Let's see what's inside here. Got the guards, the clipper with a lever. It's obviously corded. Got some scissors and a nice comb. I'm just gonna walk you guys through my setup. This is a very, I guess you could say, affordable setup. You guys see the clipper. This was 20 bucks at Ross. I highly recommend you guys investing in a trimmer. I feel like every man should own a trimmer. A little duster, the scissors that it comes with in the box, the comb that it comes with in the box. I use this to brush down any hair for the clippers. And these are just regular guards, like the cheap wall color guards. And you guys do need to purchase a half guard and a 1.5 guard. All right guys, so first step, whatever trimmer you guys decide to use, doesn't have to be a pro trimmer, but I'm using the Barber Slow Pro FX, and I'm gonna separate my beard from the sideburn area. The haircut we're gonna be giving ourselves is called shadow fade. This is a great beginner haircut because we're just gonna give ourselves kind of like a fade, but without using anything skinned. We're gonna give ourselves like a skin taper with the side blend of a 0. So that's a very simple haircut that you guys can execute. And the first guideline, so essentially 2 fingers and then 1 finger around the ear. So once you do this side, you want to just match it to the other side. All right, so this is how the first line is supposed to look. I'm gonna do a quick little 360. Next, I'm gonna open up the lever. We're gonna go a finger's width line that follows the same guideline. All right, so we've set our guideline now. Every time you guys set a guideline, you guys are gonna have to blend it. The lever method we're gonna use to blend, it's gonna be open to close. So very simply, we're gonna be working from here to here. It's completely normal though to see this and to not see a line. We're working with cheap clippers. So what's important is just knowing that this is a finger's width, and by opening up the lever, we could hit the full thing. So don't skip the step just because you think it's blended. Then I'm gonna put it midway, and I'm gonna hit the guideline midway. Then I'm gonna close it, and then just gently tap the beginning of the line. So we're done with this. Now let's work on this whole backside. Same process. We're gonna work here. Go midway. Let's close it now and hit the beginning of the line. Repeat the process on the backside now again. Rotating this mirror with the left hand. Going almost all the way to the top. Put it midway now. Close it all the way. Next, let's grab our 1 guard. We're gonna open up the lever. Anytime you open the lever, it makes the half. You attach the 1, it makes the 1.5. So 1 finger's width on top again. All right, next step, you guys see the line right here? We're gonna now close the lever, hit the beginning, and slowly work our way up. This isn't gonna necessarily blend out the line, it's just gonna soften it a little bit. You guys do need that half guard. Midway. 3/4 open. Next, we're still working on the 1.5. We're gonna attach our half guard. And I'm gonna close the lever and gently just tap the line right here and work my way up until it's just completely erased. So my lever's closed. Put it away. All the way open right now. Close it. This is why you guys need the half guard. You guys can't complete the haircut without the half guard. And this machine doesn't come with the half guard, so you guys have to buy it separately. All right, so once that's done, we're just kind of going through a rough draft of our cut. Number 2 guard lever open, a finger's length. I'm just like feathering the hair on top right here. Next, same thing with the 1.5 guard. Mentioned you guys need to buy the 0.5 and the 1.5 guard. We're just gonna be working these dark spots right here. I like to start with my lever closed, just basically picking at the dark spots right here. And I'm gonna open it a little bit. And I'm working in this direction because my hair grows going downwards. My hair grows in a very different direction. All right, next step, guys. We're almost done with basically our haircut. So we're gonna line up the C-cup area. We're gonna comb. And now to make our shadow fade pop, we're just gonna gently right here, flick up. Almost half a finger right here at the top. Nothing too crazy. Just very soft. We are going to also fix up the beard. Remember, we separated the beard and we balded it out. The next step, we're gonna open up the lever. Finger guideline right here. This line right here, we're gonna close our lever. Gently tap it and then slowly work your way up. I'm slowly moving the lever with my thumb. Once that's done, detach the 1 guard. Repeat the process again, going a finger's width on top of the line we just finished blending. Close that head, comb. You can't really see the line there, so we're gonna close it and hit this right here. Put it midway. Then use our half guard. Close the lever, same thing. Pretend we're doing the fade on the side, guys, but now we're just doing a taper on the beard. I'm gonna slowly open the lever. And now we're left with the 2 guard lever open. So essentially my beard is like almost like a 3 guard. So this isn't gonna do much. And I'm gonna close the lever. Next with the 1.5 guard now. Same thing, guys, we really can't see much, but it just helps us to run through the guideline again. I'm gonna close the lever. Guys, my other trimmer unfortunately died. I'm gonna have to switch to the Rebels. Adam's apples right here. I go a finger above. Once I know where that's gonna be at, turn to the side, start connecting it. Get the mustache. Starting here at the top. I'm just going in with the shears. These little cheap shears that I got. Getting rid of all the stranglers. Cheap razors, guys. It's gonna stretch the skin here. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a quick rinse. I don't even think I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna wash the top, and I'll see you guys in a little bit where I get to show you guys the finished product.